to pick up Justin?
No.
Okay.
Nope, just head straight to church today, so.
Okay. Alright.
And I think Kansas State needs to kick some players off their roster.
What happened at basketball?
Yeah.
What happened?
Kansas State and Kansas University, after their game last night, had a nasty little tussle that turned violent.
Oh.
So
Kansas City and Kansas State?
Yep. Kansas. Yep. KSU and KU.
What did it result in deaths and stuff?
No, but bad behavior.
Oh.
So yeah.
That's sportsmanship, huh?
Yep.
Between the players?
Between the teams, yep.
Oh.
And so I think some roster eliminations need to happen on both sides.
Oh, I guess so.
Yeah, I have a zero tolerance policy for that on my team. You will be kicked off the roster.
Yes, you bet.
And I have had to do that a time or two.
And not be allowed to play.
Again, yeah, if I kick you off the roster, you're done.
Huh. Well, that's not right.
Nope.
That's not right. Was it televised?
It was on ESPN, yeah, so the whole world saw the brawl at the end of the game.
Oh my.
Yep.
What was, did they know what happened to start that?
Yeah, and Bill Self, the head coach of the University of Kansas, handed down several suspensions, but I don't think they go far enough.
Huh. I don't understand, in school we learn good sportsmanship.
Yep.
Along with
I know if those players had been on Mark Few's roster, he would have cut them off the roster.
Yes. Well, when they're suspended, does that mean they're kicked off?
No, that's just a suspension.
Huh.
Being cut off the roster means you don't play again, ever. So you don't get put back on the roster. You're done. That's it. And with that, maybe your athletic scholarship.
Oh my, that's really...
Yeah. People look up to those players, and we expect them to behave themselves.
Well, these aren't high school kids.
No, these are college adults, university age.